Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.6 on VMware Workstation 16.2.4. Make sure that you have updated to latest version of VMware Workstation. So now I am going to create one virtual machine. So select your flavor. It will be Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 64-bit. So I am giving some name to the virtual machine. So and I am allocating around 40 GB single virtual hard disk, and I am allocating around 8 GB RAM. Processor around 4 core 4 core processor I am assigning. CD, DVD I am mounting Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.6 DVD ISO file, which I already downloaded from Red Hat website. Network adapter, I am choosing host only adapter because I am not going to connect to internet. It's offline install. Okay, that's all the settings. Rest of the settings remain as it is. So I am going to start Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.6 on VMware Workstation Pro 16.2. Now let us start the install. So this is the installation boot menu. So I choose the installation. So installation screen had arrived. I am choosing English as a default language. So installation destination, choose the hard disk. Time zone, I am setting to my location accordingly. Provide the root password. Make sure that you are giving strong password. So I am giving weak password because this is for my convenience. I am giving the password. So when you are using, please give strong password. So create one more user. So this will be the login user. Give the password to this login user also. So software selection is server with guy. Begin the installation. So installation in progress. So installation is completed. I am rebooting Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.6. So I am logging to this virtual machine. So I can able to see screen is got adjusted automatically. So screen is adjusted automatically according to my monitor resolution. So I am ready to use Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.6 now. Now I am opening terminal. So I will be typing some commands. So here VMware Tools will be got installed automatically. No need to install anything manually or download from internet. That VM Tools will be installed automatically. So go to VM settings. In options tab, guest isolation, you can see that drag and drop and copy paste are enabled after installing this virtual machine, which means that VMware Tools got installed automatically. So I am querying the version of VM Tools. So this is the version of the VM Tools, that is VMware Tools installed. So now I am going to check whether copy paste is working or not. So I am copying this output of this terminal, whatever command I executed, I am copying this to Windows host. Yes, I can able to copy from Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.6 virtual machine to Windows host machine, which is now I am typing some letter in Windows host machine and try to copy from Windows host to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.6 VM running on VMware Workstation. Yeah, paste it. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.6 virtual machine installation on VMware Workstation is successful.